Funderson Pacto's Regen Oasis Project is an ambitious initiative dedicated to the restoration and revitalization of ecosystems degraded and affected by mining in Carmen de Curupa, Colombia. Through permaculture practices, reforestation, snake rivers, creation of artificial wetlands, treatment of greywater, and nature-based solutions, the project seeks to establish an interconnected network of farms, with a particular focus on a central farm. This central farm acts as a living example of sustainable land management practices and regenerative agriculture techniques through innovative approaches inspired by nature. The project demonstrates how agriculture and rural livelihoods can be realized in ways that regenerate the land, enhance biodiversity, and promote long-term sustainability. In addition, the project seeks to empower local communities through training and capacity-building programs, promoting sustainable livelihoods and fostering resilience to climate and economic change. We will invest the award in expanding land restoration, training, innovation, and technology to improve the project, including an app with real-time monitoring features, photo gallery, progress tracking, education, and resources. Having an interdisciplinary team facilitates the identification of environmental impacts from multiple angles. Regen Oasis is an opportunity to build a more resilient world. Together we can make a difference in many lives and in the future of new generations.